Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating this cute little tray that I got from Target in the dollar spot. It was $5. I'm going to go ahead and decorate it for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be using some of this wire ribbon that I picked up at Michael's. And it's just basically something I had in my stash for a while. But I'm going to be using glue dots that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And the reason I'm not using hot glue is because I'm going to use this in future decor with like farmhouse and stuff. And this pink, it just definitely does not go with farmhouse. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a glue dot. And I'm going to put it on the back, which I just started that. And I'm just going to place this ribbon right on the glue dot. And I'm just going to wrap it around till I meet it at the other end. And then there it is. And these glue dots actually hold pretty well. I used them before in other little projects and they actually work pretty good. So, and if I need to, I might have to use another glue dot, but so that one is just pressed right there and it will come apart nice and easy. I'm going to do that on both the top and the bottom just because I think it's actually really cute and I like the color. I think it's really nice for Valentine's Day. So these glue dots are sometimes kind of a pain to take them off, but not take them off, but take them off this little paper. So I'm just going to press it right there and then peel it back. And if you hear my kids in the background, sorry, they're playing their PlayStation and Xbox and all that fun stuff. So, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and press down, do the same thing, wrap it around. And it has like already like a little indentation kind of to wrap it around, so that's nice. Like a ridged edge, I don't know what you call it. I guess just that. Alright. And that's actually holding very well. So there's that. And then next I have in my stash from last year, I have a whole bunch of this. I'm not exactly sure what you call it, like filler, or instead of tissue paper you use this stuff. But I picked it up at the dollar store. So I will be using that in just one quick second. But for the bottom portion of the tray, I have this cute little bike. I actually have two of them. They're picture frame holders. I picked both of these up at Pier 1 Imports last year. And I wanted it to go in the bottom, but it's like I need some height. So I'm just going to use these little containers, or these things. I'm just going to use them for the height. And you're not even going to see them because I'm going to have it covered with some of that stuff. So, that filler. Alright. Next, I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm so sorry that it's dark. It's about to rain out here, so I really can't do anything about the lighting. So I'm really sorry about that. Alright, next I have these little bears that I just thought were so cute. I had these for a couple of years. They actually came from a Goodwill for, I think, 99 cents each. This one's my favorite. I just think they're so cute. So those are going to go in the bottom like this. And then when they're done exchanging little letters, they're going to get on that bike and roll away. I just think that is so cute. Next, I'm just going to get this filler and I'm just going to kind of place it all around them. Not where it covers what they're holding, just kind of where it covers the white. So I'm just going to kind of place that in. And place it in the back too. If this is going to go like on a table, maybe you would want to do the back side, but this is going to go like, you know, where people can see all around. This is just going to go up against a wall, so no one's going to be able to see the back side anyways. So it's not that big of a deal if I have it fully covered. Okay. But I'll just go ahead and turn it around just to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright. I mean, you could do different colors too if you wanted, but I don't know, I just think the red and pink are, you know, nice. Alright. So, I'm going to turn this back around, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the top, which you'll be able to see. And I'll have to zoom in here when I'm done in just a second. Okay. Sorry, I had to tell him to shush because he was getting really loud. Alright. So, for the top tray, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. I had a yellow basket. I just painted it pink because I just thought it looked better. But this is going to go in the front. I turned it a little bit. It was already turned, but I turned it a little bit in just so it would fit in here. So that'd look cute. And then, you know, before I get this in, I wanted to kind of hang this. This was just, you know, in my stash. Let me kind of go close. It was just like little hearts. I just thought it was cute. I was going to do glue dots to put them right there. I'm going to try that out and see how that works. And I was kind of debating if it was going to look good or not. But let's give it a whirl. If it doesn't, I can take it off. So that's the good part about these glue drops. And that's another thing too. If I was going to make this more permanent, I could go ahead and, you know, use the hot glue gun. But like I said, I'm going to be using this some other time. So I don't want to use hot glue. Just these sticky little drops. Let me see. Yeah, I think that looks cute. And then I'm going to do this side with the glue drop. Glue dots. Alright. Here we go. That looks so cute. Alright, and then I have this little Eiffel Tower that I picked up when I was in Vegas last year. So I'm just gonna, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? This washi tape, I need some height, so I'm just gonna add this washi tape right here. And I'm just gonna have it like at the side or something. It kind of sucks because this is, you know, in the way of it. But at the same time, it's kind of like, well, you know, it's a really small tray anyways. Alright, now for the filler, I'm just going to add a little bit of that. I'll fix that in just a second. Don't want too much of the filler on top, but I need a little bit of that red in front. Okay. I don't know, maybe I have a little too much going on, but you know what? I think it's cute, so I'm going to leave it. And the good thing is you can't see any of these little washi tapes or anything like that. You can't see them. They're pretty well hidden. I mean, unless you go up and like really try looking. And you have to be knowing what you're looking for. Otherwise, you can't see them. Alright. It is done. Let me go ahead and just take you guys off this little tripod. Hold on one second. Here's a better view, actually. Here we go. It's more in the lights where you can see it a little bit better. There we go. And if you guys do like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.